I hope you had a good Easter break, that you are all well and that you stayed safe. I have prepared a little German lesson for you. Now, last time we did some German, we were all talking about Zu Hause. It means at home. I thought it was quite fitting actually, but this lesson is more about explaining and understanding how to express where do you live. So we sort of looked at locations, at the type of houses and the rooms in the house, and we will have a look at some comprehension activities. So this is a little recap of what we have done. Ich wohne means I live, and here are some options. Ich wohne in den Bergen, in einem Dorf, am Stadtrand, in der Stadt, auf dem Land, an der Küste. So let's have a look. Can you remember which of these pictures and these locations would fit to which little phrase? In den Bergen means in the mountains. In einem Dorf, it means in a village, like this one. Am Stadtrand, on the outskirts of a town. In der Stadt means in a city or in a town. Auf dem Land means in the countryside. An der Küste, at the coast. We then went on and we had a look at different types of houses. So you all know how these houses are called in English, and we then learned how to say them in German. Ein Einfamilienhaus. Ich wohne in einem Einfamilienhaus. That would be the detached property here. A detached house is called Einfamilienhaus. In einem Doppelhaus means a semi-detached. It's double, doppel, ein Doppelhaus. In einem Reihenhaus, it means a row of houses. In English, obviously, terraced house. In German, we call it in einem Reihenhaus. In einer Wohnung, that was the flat or the apartment, in einer Wohnung. In einem Bauernhaus, this is the farmhouse here. In einem farmhouse. And the last one, same than in English, in einem Bungalow. Bungalow being bungalow. There we go. So this was a really quick recap. So here are the sentences that I have written. If you want to pause now, you can, and maybe try and work out which sentences here from 1 to 7 match which of these pictures. So pause now if you need some time. And here, oopsie, messed up. No, it doesn't really want to do it the way I want. Sorry. Might have to. Here is the solution. Well done if you got it right. This is a little bit of comprehension work. We have been trying to do this last week. Let's have a look at the first person talking. Karl. Meine Eltern, meine Schwester und ich wohnen am Stadtrand von Berlin in einer großen Wohnung. Wir haben 5 Schlafzimmer, 2 Wohnzimmer, 3 Badezimmer und eine kleine Küche. Leider haben wir keinen Garten, aber es gibt einen Balkon und einen Keller. This is Conny. Conny says, ich liebe das Land. Hier spiele ich gerne draußen im Garten oder im Wald. Meine Familie und ich wohnen in einem großen, schönen Bauernhaus auf dem Land. Unser Dachboden ist ein Spielzimmer und in unserer Garage stehen unsere Fahrräder. Last one. Michael. Meine Brüder, meine Mutter und ich wohnen in einem Dorf in der Nähe von Bonn. Unser Reihenhaus ist blau und hat 3 Schlafzimmer, 2 große und ein kleines. Im Garten spiele ich gerne Fußball und in der Garage habe ich eine Tischtennisplatte. Now here are some questions for you. Who lives in the countryside? Who hasn't got a garden? Who has got 3 bedrooms in a terraced house? Who lives in a farmhouse? Whose house is blue? And who has a small kitchen? Can you work it out? Here are the clues. Kleine Küche. Keinen Garten. Ich liebe das Land. Bauernhaus auf dem Land. Reihenhaus ist blau. 3 Schlafzimmer. Let's have a look at the solution. Here it is. Those are the questions. These are the people that said it. Did you work it out? This was quite a tricky one, so if you have worked it out, well done. Right, this is the end of our topic Zu Hause. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you real soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye.